SUVs have long been the go-to vehicles for families, adventurers, and road trip enthusiasts. They're hailed as versatile road warriors that promise reliability, comfort, and a sense of freedom. But let's face it, not all SUVs live up to the hype. Despite automakers' grand promises, some SUVs of 2025 have missed the mark, leaving buyers with regret, empty wallets, and frequent trips to the repair shop. If you're considering buying a new SUV, this video will guide you through models you might want to think twice about. Number 10. Dodge Hornet. The Dodge Hornet entered the compact SUV market with a buzz, claiming to bring a refreshing sting to the crowded segment. However, beneath the Dodge badge lies the Alfa Romeo Tonale, an Italian SUV with a notorious history of reliability issues. While it delivers on speed and agility, the Hornet suffers from poor build quality, cramped interiors, and mediocre fuel efficiency. Reports of electrical glitches and a design that feels more budget-friendly than premium further tarnish its appeal. Even though some dealerships are offering discounts of over $10,000, the Hornet's questionable reliability and subpar resale value make it a risky choice. If you're tempted by the hefty markdown, just ensure it comes with a comprehensive warranty to mitigate the potential headaches. Number 9. Jeep Compass. Jeep's Compass was meant to be a compact, rugged SUV that fits seamlessly into their off-road-centric lineup. Instead, it feels like a placeholder and uninspired design with mediocre performance. Despite featuring a modern 10.1-inch touchscreen, the Compass continues to disappoint with cheap interior materials and lackluster drivetrains. Critics have highlighted persistent reliability issues that undermine its reputation as an off-road contender. Additionally, the ride quality has been criticized for being stiff and uncomfortable, making it less appealing for long drives. Priced higher than its performance warrants, the Compass lacks the rugged charm and dependability Jeep fans expect. For those looking for affordability and reliability in a small SUV, there are better options out there. Competitors like the Subaru Crosstrek and Toyota Corolla Cross provide better value, stronger reliability, and smoother performance at similar price points. Number 8. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross sounds like it should be a futuristic, stylish SUV. Sadly, it's anything but. With outdated technology, a lackluster 1.5-liter turbo engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, and substandard materials, the Eclipse Cross feels like a relic from a decade ago. Even its styling, once expected to be cutting-edge, has been described as awkward and uninspired, failing to capture attention in a crowded market. Adding to its woes, Mitsubishi's sparse dealer network in the US complicates maintenance and repairs. Owners report long wait times for parts and limited access to qualified service technicians. Even with a decent warranty, the Eclipse Cross's dated design and weak performance make it an underwhelming choice for buyers. Competitors in the same price range, such as the Kia Seltos and Mazda CX-30, outperform the Eclipse Cross in nearly every category. Number 7. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer is a name synonymous with adventure and family road trips. However, the 2025 model has struggled with recurring reliability issues, particularly with its transmission. Consumer Reports cites below-average reliability and low owner satisfaction. A far cry from its iconic past, the Explorer's interior materials also fail to meet the expectations set by its hefty price tag, feeling more akin to a rental car than a luxury family vehicle. While its spacious interior and tech features should make it a great choice for families, the Explorer feels more like an overpriced rental car. The hybrid model, though promising better fuel efficiency, has also faced criticism for sluggish acceleration and limited electric-only range. At nearly $50,000, competitors like the Toyota Highlander and Kia Telluride offer far superior value, smoother rides, and fewer headaches. Buyers seeking a mid-size SUV would do well to explore those alternatives. Number 6. Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen promotes the Taos as an affordable entry point into German engineering, but owning one might cost you more than expected. Powered by a sluggish 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, the Taos struggles with hard acceleration and suffers from noisy cabins and uncomfortable seats. While Volkswagen replaced its problematic dual-clutch transmission with an 8-speed automatic, many of the vehicle's other flaws remain. Owners have also reported issues with the infotainment system freezing or failing, adding to the frustration. Historically, poor reliability and high repair costs further diminish the Taos appeal. With limited cargo space and a ride quality that feels jittery on rough roads, the Taos doesn't deliver on its promise of affordable sophistication. If you're seeking a dependable small SUV, this is one to avoid. Alternatives like the Honda HR-V or Hyundai Kona deliver better reliability and a more enjoyable driving experience. Number 5. Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas impresses with its roomy interior and third-row seating that rivals a minivan. However, it's plagued by electronic gremlins and an unreliable turbocharged engine. Owners frequently report issues with the digital dashboard malfunctioning and advanced driver assistance systems failing at critical moments. While spacious and comfortable, critics have described the Atlas as feeling cheaply made, held together more by wishful thinking than robust engineering. Combined with high repair costs and Volkswagen's recent dip in reliability, the Atlas falls short of expectations. Despite its size and practicality, it's not the family-friendly SUV you'd want for the long haul. Competitors like the Honda Pilot and Subaru Ascent provide more peace of mind, better build quality, and superior resale value. Number 4. Ford Bronco Sport. At first glance, the Bronco Sport seems like the perfect rugged SUV for outdoor adventures, but its small turbocharged EcoBoost engine has earned a reputation for being overworked and unreliable. Critics argue that these engines may deliver punchy performance, but lack the durability to last beyond their warranty period. If you're considering the Bronco Sport for its off-road capabilities, be prepared for potential engine troubles. While Ford might issue recalls to address issues, the stress of owning one might not be worth the hassle. Number 3. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson dazzles with its sleek styling and tech-heavy interior. However, it's not without its flaws. Reports of engine failures and transmission hiccups have left many owners frustrated. Additionally, some have noted that the Tucson's advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, can be overly sensitive and erratic, detracting from the driving experience. While Hyundai offers a robust warranty, these mechanical issues tarnish the Tucson's appeal, especially when compared to stalwarts like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Though its price and design make it tempting, the Tucson's inconsistent reliability makes it a risky choice for long-term ownership. Buyers seeking a stylish yet dependable SUV might find better luck with the Mazda CX-5 or Nissan Rogue. Number 2. Chevrolet Trailblazer. Chevrolet's Trailblazer tries to position itself as a budget-friendly SUV but fails to deliver on value. Equipped with a weak 3-cylinder engine and a CVT, the Trailblazer struggles to justify its price tag. Critics have noted that it offers little improvement over the cheaper Chevy Trax, making it hard to recommend. Its sluggish acceleration and lack of refinement in the cabin further dampen its appeal. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a Chevy SUV, the Trax might be a better option while GM works out the kinks in the Trailblazer. For those open to alternatives, the Kia Soul or Toyota Corolla Cross deliver better performance, comfort, and reliability at comparable prices. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Once considered a gold standard in SUVs, the Jeep Grand Cherokee has seen its shine fade in recent years. The plug-in hybrid version, aimed at eco-conscious buyers, is riddled with reliability issues that make it more frustrating than efficient. Critics have highlighted quality inconsistencies that undermine its premium image. While it still boasts off-road capabilities and a stylish interior, the Grand Cherokee's poor reliability and rapid depreciation make it a less than stellar choice. If dependability and long-term value are priorities, look elsewhere. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, make sure to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest automotive insights, tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride. Stay tuned for more exciting car talk.